Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers cheap Bay Minnette local and long-distance movers near me. If it's time to hire a cheap Bay Minnette moving company, 3 Movers should be at the top of your list. We offer the best moving services in the area for local and long-distance moves. Whether you're moving a home, an apartment, a business, or simply some heavy equipment, we can help. Our team knows how to get your move quickly and efficiently. With our help, you get the best long-distance moving service possible. We offer all of the following options. Packing services. Hiring professional packers makes it easier to handle a long-distance move. Moving supplies. We provide you with all the right supplies and packing materials to help you with the tedious task of packing up to move. An on-time move. Don't worry about how moving day will go with us. We show up on time and make sure you get the service you desire without delay. Upfront pricing. Our moving estimates will provide you with the best price possible to ensure you can set your budget properly. Licensed and insured. Your things will all be protected by our movers throughout the process of relocating. It's time to move, and you want to make sure it's as easy as possible. With our help, we can make sure you get to where you need to go fast and easy. We can help you move 100 miles away, 2,000 miles away, or even further. Let our team take the stress out of your long-distance move. It might seem like it's not necessary to hire an Alabama moving company for your local move. Without movers, you have to do all the heavy lifting on your own. This could lead to damaged items or even injury. Hiring local movers will help make your move simple and efficient. With 3 Movers, you get a streamlined moving process for your local move. Our team makes sure you save plenty of time and energy throughout the moving process. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Bay Minnette moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, local moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.